let's bring in criminal defense attorney Brian Claypool. Brian, always good to see you. Happy New Year. Thank you for joining us today. Your thoughts as you watch this situation in the courtroom where Charlie Kirk's alleged killer is awaiting his trial.
Hey, Martha, great to be back with you, and Happy New Year. I've got one word to describe what Tyler Robinson's lawyers just did. Sandbagging. That is the word to describe what they did. They knew exactly what was going down weeks before. If you heard that they filed a reply on January 5. In their brief, they said there might be an issue that the state attorney general might have to represent the Utah County prosecutor in this case. Yet, they didn't cite any case law at all to support that in the brief. They didn't file any kind of motion to vacate this hearing while the judge hears it, and they bring it up right in front of the judge. That is sandbagging, number one. Number two, this judge is incredibly generous. I've been in situations like this where a judge would say the following, Martha: I don't have that issue before me right now. You didn't brief this issue prior to today, and it's not going to be heard on the merits, and let's move forward with the evidentiary hearing. He didn't do that, but I'll tell you what he's doing. He's reading the case law right now in his chambers. He's reading that Jimenez case that's not going to work for the defense counsel because Richard Novak came out and said Jimenez, the case he cited, doesn't compel the judge to bring in the state attorney general to represent the Utah County prosecutor. He already admitted that. But what this judge is doing, he's going to read the cases back there, and I'm going to predict right now, he's going to come into the court and deny this request by Robinson's lawyers to delay this hearing, and he's going to move forward with this evidentiary hearing.
You know, with regard to the question that's not even being dealt with yet about the camera in the courtroom, I want to just very quickly play this to remind everybody where Erica Kirk stands on this issue. Watch.
There were cameras all over my husband when he was murdered. There have been cameras all over my friends and family mourning. There have been cameras all over me, analyzing my every move, analyzing my every smile, my every tear. We deserve to have cameras in there.
What do you think this judge is going to do about that? Quickly, Brian, if you can.
Yeah, 1,000%. There should be cameras in the courtroom. And I'm going to tell you what the defense did today, Martha. They took this as an opportunity to have cameras on Tyler Robinson. They got a freebie today, and then they're trying to delay this hearing. But I'm 1,000% behind Erica Kirk. This case should be televised, and let's get the truth and get this guy in jail.
Yeah, it's interesting. There was a moment with the pool camera operator. The judge said, do you understand, you know, your requirements? Exactly. Basically, the camera sits exactly on that tape spot where it is. And in most cases, we couldn't see. There he is. This is moments ago, Tyler Robinson and his defense team. But for most of the time, Catherine Nestor, his defense attorney, was blocking the view of him anyway, Brian. Quick thought.
Yeah, but you've seen him. You've seen him on camera, Martha, and we saw this a bit in the Mangione case as well. This is deflection. These are defense lawyers that are trying to portray their clients who are being accused of murder in a positive light. Tyler Robinson, did you see at one point, Martha, he did this? He was kind of fixing his tie. So he is staged for people to see him in a more positive light, so that potentially when this case goes down, this maybe one or two jurors might like him.
I mean, when you're dealing with a client who has texted specifically that he wanted to kill this person, you got to go all around looking for other stuff that might help you. Thank you very much, all of you. Excellent commentary, and obviously we're going to stay on this.